Here are your word ladders for today. Let's look at our first one. Please put your name at the top. Today we will read the clues and then write the words. Start at the bottom and climb to the top. A matter of size. We have this very large animal here and this very tiny person with a club in his hand. Let's look at the bottom of our word ladder. It says big, b-i-g, big. Let's look at our clues. To have taken a bite, the dog, the man's leg. Change the last letter. Our next clue. Dad gave me $1 for helping him. Take away the last letter, then add 2. Our next clue. A round object used in soccer. Change the vowel. Our vowel will be the second letter in this word. Remember, vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Our next clue says, a large building with many stores in it. Change the first letter. And our last clue, the opposite of big, add a letter to the beginning. Our next word ladder is around the clock. Around the clock. Let's look at the bottom clue. It says tick, t-ick. Our first clue says not feeling well. Change the first letter. Our next clue says another word for bag. Change the vowel. Our vowel is an A, an E, an I, an O, or a U. Our next clue is a shelf in the oven. Bake the pizza on the top. Change the first letter. Our next clue says another word for stone. Change the vowel. Remember, a vowel is the letter A, E, I, O, or U. And finally, our last clue says, part of the sound a clock makes, tick. Change the first letter. When you have filled in all of your letter spaces and you've created all those words and your name is at the top, you may turn your paper in.